The next part is called as defining interfaces. How to create interface, that you have to learn first. The syntax for this creating interface is interface name, and in bracket, in the brace you have to write variable declaration and method declaration. If you remember our previous classes, this is similar to our class declaration or class defining. Okay, the syntax is almost same as our class, but only changes I done here is called as, instead of class I have to use a keyword called as interface. Here the interface name is the name of the interface I have created. You can use any interface name, you can use any identifier which is having specific meaning. Okay, just like class I can give any specific interface name. Okay, now some points you have to remember here is how it is different from class. Here whatever the variable you declared, it's always a constant. In interface it's always a constant. Once you created this variable, I cannot change the value of this variable here, so it is a constant variable here, constant one. The second one is called as method declaration part, only contains the declaration part, it never contains the code. I never written the code for the method here. That 2 points you have to remember in the interface. The first part is variables are constant. The second one is method contain only the declaration part, not the definition part. You are not writing the code in the methods. First, how to create a variable declaration, how to create a variables. The variable declaration will be written like this one. This is the general syntax. Static final. Remember, you have to use the keyword static final. Then you have to write the type, what type of this variable contains. Okay, then you have to specify the value, final value. These two keywords are always needed in the variable declaration at the interface, static and final. Final means you cannot change the value of this one, and static means this variable is just work like a interface variable, because I am not creating an object of this one here, so it's work like a interface variable here. All variables are declared as constant. Methods declaration will contain only the list methods, that is I am list of methods without any statement. As I told, it contains only the method declaration. So the syntax of method is return type, method name, then parameter list. Okay, just simply I have tried type which type of it will return, and the proper method name and the parameter list, and then I have to put here semicolon. Sorry, I have to put some semicolon here. Okay, it's just a declaration part, there is no definition part. One simple example here is here this one, static final. I have created one interface called as item, which contains two variables. One is code, another one is name, and this is an integer type, and name is a string type. Both are static finals, and these values are initialized. I have one method called as display, which is declared here. Okay, but not defined.